Remote computer services or remote IT support are phrases that effectively describe the type of service being offered, which is computer support that can be provided remotely rather than in person. These phrases are commonly used in the industry and are likely to be the phrases that people use when searching for this type of service online. Using these keywords in your website's content, meta tags, and other online listings will help increase the visibility of your business to people searching for remote computer services. Remote computer services. Remote IT support. Managed IT services. IT support. Cloud services. Cybersecurity. Network support. IT consulting. IT infrastructure. IT solutions. IT outsourcing. Helpdesk support.